Hi guys, welcome back to the Gwan Tours. We're in Marbella, going for a little night walk, heading down towards Old Town. Let's have a little look. So yeah. Godfather's just closing up. Let's have a little look around. Let's go and see what bars are open. Haven't actually been around Marbella in night time for quite a long time actually. Years. Could be something like 4 or 5 years. So let's see Wagwan. You guys know the vibe. No cars, just walking the road. So, it's quite busy at the moment. I thought that was someone playing drums, someone just dragging a wheelie bin down the road. Let's have a little look around, see what I'm going around here. Do you think go upwards, go down? Which way, which way, which way? Let's go up here. So have you seen the videos from the daytime around here? It's quite busy. Quite busy for this time of year. Everything's closed. Everything's closed. Let's go to that corner there at least. Because that's where that big square is, I think. I say you think I know, but this place, it's like a maze. Yeah, I think there's the big square there. So we'll take a right there. I don't know if there's any like nightclubs and that around here. Or bars and stuff like that, I'm unsure. What's that place? So, a restaurant down there open still. We're going to head down this way. I think we might as well go down towards the waterfront because there's nothing really going on. Who's this lady? Mother Teresa? Young Mother Teresa? Let me know in the comments if you know who these pictures are of. Very nice around there. A bit quiet. Like Malaga, around the Gothic quarter around there. I call it the Gothic quarter. It's just more like this, older sort of stuff. It's really nice. Loads of little quirky bars, like you'd be in here, one bar, and there you'd be in another bar. But this is not there. So we head down to the waterfront. Tried to come out as late as possible. But nothing going on, is there? Nothing up there, nothing down here. So, Old Town at night time looks quite dead, doesn't it? What do they... So this is actually called Marbella, but I'm in Old Town of Marbella. So when I go down to the water, it's just Marbella. I just call the whole area Old Town, which, you know, obviously is not correct. But, you know, I always think of Porto Banús as Marbella. Hey, obviously it's not. So let's head down to the waterfront, I guess. It's the main road right here. So if you're coming in on a bus from the airport, you're gonna come down. You're gonna come down this road here. We're gonna head straight across there. We're gonna go down. Yeah, there's a crossing over here. Let's go and join everyone. But guys, please, if you can like, share, comment, subscribe, everything. If you can just do everything for us, that'd be wonderful. It'll help us millions. So, big group of guys here. Everyone's out. Let me cross over from these guys, so I'm not annoying everyone with my camera. Check the little water fountain out at night time. Look at that. Beautiful. I think like in the first couple of videos I've been doing, there's like 2 ways that you can have this gimbal. Like there's a big metal, it's like it's metal, some sort of plastic, whatever, but it's like a bit that gets in the way if you put a lens on, like a wide angle lens, so you can like flick it around. It's got a little special mode in it where it flicks around, and yeah, I've done that, so it feels a lot more better. So you've got fashion cocktail bar there, it's very cool in there. Slot places. Let me know where you guys come. If you go out for a night in Marbella, where'd you go? What do you do? What do you guys do? Because I've never ever... Actually, when me and Sabrina came here, we did try to go out. There was like a nightclub up the road, it's quite close to where I'm staying, but it wasn't even open. It wasn't open when we first came here, about 5 years ago. Again, I don't think we was coming anything out of season then. It was like high season when we came here. I mean like proper high season. So and at the moment I guess it's low season. Everything's just getting ready to open, fixing everything up. Let's see while going on the promenade. Just go in the middle of the road. This hotel. You can hear the sea. It's rough out there. But yeah. Let's go and have a little look at the sea quickly. I don't think you can really see it. It's too dark. So, is Marbella dead at night time at the moment? It's looking like it. Look at that. But yeah, let's have a little look down here then. We'll go all the way down. We'll check out, see if anything is open. It's just looking very, very dead though. Very, very dead. Normally I'd, you know, go down Porto Banús for a night out. I'd go, that's probably about it. I don't ever think about coming down here for a night out, so if you do come to Marbella near Old Town for a night out, let me know. Where do you go? What's open normally? So at the moment, it is looking quiet. I was hoping to get one quick beer. I fancy a glass of Carver actually. You always got Burger King open. You know what, Burger King, I know everyone loves to eat meat, but you should really try. I think it's a double whopper, the vegan double whopper. Try that and tell me it doesn't taste like a Big Mac. And the beef burger, whatever that is, I don't think it's Beyond Meat. I hate Beyond Meat. Oh, there's some people up there. Did we go up? I said promenade, didn't I? I said promenade. Yeah. We've got people up there. No, it just looks like it's one of them little cut-through alleyways. But it looks like it's busy. But it's not. What we'll do actually, we'll quickly walk down to the marina and see what's open down on the marina. Yeah, the bars look a bit more livelier down there. Let's go down these stairs. Let's have a little look. Still got the old fire from earlier on. The guy over there cooking the sardines up. So you've got Tiger Bay here on the right. Yeah, this little bar here is open as well. So hopefully we can stop, have one beer, and then I think what we do after that is head back home. So let's have a quick walk around, and then we'll stop somewhere. Tunes playing in there though. Tunes. It's dead though. Tunes playing. I guess everyone comes out 12 o'clock. This is literally 10:30 at night. I can't come out late tonight. I've got to go to Torremolinos tomorrow. I'm filming in Torremolinos and Benamadina. Getting everything done, ready for when I get home. So yeah. Not much really. Getting on there earlier on, didn't I, in the daytime, if you've seen the series for Marbella, and it's about the same, isn't it? Same bars are still open. I mean, like I said, it is March. Got like a brand new destination coming up on the channel in a few days time. Saturday we land in Valencia. We're only going to be there for the morning, so I get there at like 7. I think we take off at 7, so it must be around 8 a.m. Just before 8 a.m. we land. And because it's internal, I'm guessing the flight's going to be quick to get on, quick to get off. I don't see why we'd be doing customs and all that. And it's always like they check your bag like normal, you know what I mean? But look at that, taboo. Ooh, there's some noise in there. So yeah, Valencia, in the daytime I'm going to have a good walk around, see what we can see, and then I'm heading down to Benidorm. The first night I'm going to keep it quiet. I need to edit a video, clear a bit of my space on my old phone, and then yeah, we can make some more videos. I need to get the day one out. I need to get the travel vlog out. Yeah, we'll get down there quickly. So yeah, I've got a travel day vlog. I've got day one stuff really. I need to get them all, a few of them out for you guys, so you can see Wagwan. I've got a flashing light again. Why is it flashing at me? Maybe, I don't know. Got plenty of space. No idea. Still recording though, so we'll see. Oh, someone's playing football. It's Europa League. So yeah. Hopefully, I don't really understand why it's flashing at me. Maybe it's I have to Google it. Let's go up here. So, La Liga on this one. There's plenty of space left on the camera still, so we will see. Oh, game over is open, so. And you've got the old Smokers Club here on the left. It's called the 7-Eleven. Wonder if it's even still open. There's a karaoke place there. So yeah, it's quite chill, isn't it, around Marbella at the moment? It's quite chill. Let's go this side. You know what, I might stop up here on the corner. I think it's like four euros in there for a drink. Have one, do the rest of the walk, and then head home. Might get a kebab, haven't had a kebab in years. Latino, okay. So you got the old kebabi over there. I think I'm going to come in there, Tiger Bay. Why not? There's nobody in it though. Nobody in it at all. Actually, there is. There's a few people. Someone's watching bloody TV on their phone in the bar. It's not really a good sign, is it? Not a good sign. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, yeah? And make sure you like, subscribe, everything. Hype up the videos. I'll catch you on the very next video.